YouTube, what's going on? Lee here, License to Drive. Okay, real quick short video. I want to explain something, some information that I found. Okay, first of all, there's a lot more of me out there than I thought. And I want to thank some of my new subscribers for highlighting that I'm not the only one. Also, Tesla Motors Club for getting the thread for the waiting list for STEALTHYS, as I call us, which are ModelYPerformance non-pups. Okay, and what's going on is, and I saw this, and I'm going to put a link on here from Electrek. So this is what's up. They closed the factory down last week in Fremont for tooling and upgrades. So that is the reason why we haven't got our VINs. And kudos to people in Tesla Motors forum for mentioning me in one of the posts, which I thought was really, really cool. So that was really cool. So thank you y'all for watching. So here's the thing. The cars are coming, okay? With the factory being shut down, that is the reason why we weren't able to get any VINs, those of us who ordered around about July or late June, early July. So the cars are coming. I talked to my sales rep over in here in Atlanta area, so they are coming. So with the factory being shut down this week, maybe they'll get it back going on Monday, but basically at 250 cars a day, we should be back in business. So I'm not really worried about that anymore, but at first I was kind of freaking, I'm not gonna lie. But the good news is, I'm fixing my camera. By the way, I do know how to shave. It's just, I've had a long week, so just bear with me, y'all. So the cars are coming, and it's just a matter of time. If I was you, I would not get the pup if you can help it. I know some of the people in the forums are getting kind of impatient, and I understand, and you're switching to the pups. Don't get it. If you want them range, just wait. They're going to come. I'm anticipating probably late to mid-August for ours, and that's fine. I don't think that that'd be a big deal. I am concerned about that because my financing is only for 60 days, but my financing is pretty cool, and I think that I could probably get an extension, hopefully, or I'll just reapply, which is fine with me. But I wanted to just touch base with you guys because apparently I thought I was the only one, but apparently there's a whole lot of us STEALTHYs out there who are looking for long-range performance, Model Ys, 20-inch inclusion wheels. It's coming. So it's just a matter of what's going to come with the new tooling. Are we going to get the new batteries? That would be cool. Also, the stamping machine went in at Fremont as well, so we'd be getting the new body shape, body design that Tesla Shanghai is going to be doing. I mean, sorry, Tesla Berlin with the Model Y. It's a new rear end section. Instead of it being 3 pieces, it's one large stamped piece. So that's something that we might get too. So something to look forward to. So I really don't know what is going on, but I do know that we're still in effect. And at first I was wondering if we were not going to get our cars, but I definitely feel better about it now, knowing that there was a shutdown in Fremont this week. And it said in the Electrek article that it was going to be at the end of the month in July. And sure enough, it was. Excuse me. I'm fixing trying to do this YouTube thing. I got to get a better tripod. So we have a chance. If you know of anybody with 20-inch inclusion wheels, please hit me up. I'd like to see it. But we have signs of life. So if you can hold off, just hold on a little bit longer, and we should be able to get our Stealth Model Ys with 20s. And that's really cool because at first I ain't gonna lie, I've been sniffing around. I was at the Decatur Service Center snooping around yesterday looking to see what was out there. There's some white on whites that's just, hey man, white on white is hard. So, and black and red, I already had a red Model X, so I can't do red. But that white on white, that was tempting. And I had a chance, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait. So navy and black. And what's really been fun is all the accessories. I saw online today the LED strips for the console. A lady on YouTube had on Facebook had that. There's a cover for the dashboard to cover up the wood. That's pretty cool. But I already got as I showed in the last video, home link and my screen protector. And I think I probably will do a satin finish for the console too. I think that's probably it. But I'm not, like I said, I don't really want to get too gimmicky with it. I mean, it's just me, just regular transportation, you know, because like I said, we got Porsche business to attend to here at the License to Drive headquarters. So it's a beautiful day here in Georgia, trying to stay away from people once again because it's bad out here. But you guys be safe and have a great weekend. And please like and subscribe, because I'm telling you, once I get this Model Y business out the way, we can get back to the business of cars. And that's what this channel is all about. But I just want to talk to you about this Tesla business because that's what's going on right now. And it's becoming a part of my day, checking to see if I have a VIN, looking around, seeing what's going on. And then I realized what happened with the close down, and then it all made sense. And I wanted to get that message to you, so that way you can sleep a little bit easier. So you don't have to check your source code every day because it's not going to be there. If they do open up on Monday, which probably makes the most sense, tomorrow, what's that, the 3rd or the 4th? That would make the most sense. So let's see what happens. If anybody gets a VIN, go down to the forums and let's see what we can do to get some awareness on what's going on. But like I said, there's light at the end of the tunnel. At the end of the tunnel. Tunnel? It's Sunday, man. Come on. And I need to shave. So let's see what's going on, and we'll go on from there. But the factory was closed. We know that. That's confirmed. The stamping machine was put in. That's 2 confirmed. So it's just a matter of time before they start cranking these suckers out. The question now is, do you mind having one of the first chassis of the restart? Maybe it'll be better. But as a vet, Tesla vet, you know, it's gonna come with some issues. I don't care. They'll fix it. So I ain't worried about it. And you shouldn't need to be either. And let's just go on from there. But good news, good news, good news. All right, YouTube. See you later.